so excited to show you guys the Smoky Smize palette. Look how beautiful this packaging is. It says, warning, your eyes have met their match. How stinking cute is that? And then you open it up and it's this gorgeous bar of gold for your eyes. Literally, like, how luxurious does this look? It has 4 different neutral colors in it that you can create anything from a daytime smoky more into a drama-filled nighttime smoky. It already has your highlight, your all-over shade, your all-over shade, and drama. I absolutely love all these colors. These are the perfect colors to create any type of smoky eye. The highlight is such a beautiful, luxurious champagne gold color that you use to highlight underneath your brow bone. Blaze is a beautiful khaki olive shimmery all over color that you can use from a lash line all the way to the crease. Then you have Exhale, which is one of my favorite colors in this palette. It's such a beautiful taupey brown that's such a good neutral color, so you're not going to go too warm or too cool. So moving on to the drama shade. This color is called Smolder. It seriously is the best combination of black and dark brown. If black and dark brown had a baby, this is seriously what it would look like. But I love it also because it has gold specks in it. So literally all these colors are going to add a really pretty glow to the eye. Not a sparkle or a glitter, but just a very luxurious candlelit glow. And then you have your universal brush that you can literally create all kinds of looks with just one brush. You can see how it has a fatter body to it and a pointier tip. So you can use the fatter side to blend and the pointier part to really be precise and build the color on this. Amazing. This palette is seriously a must-have.